Okay, I'm here at the optometrist, so my eyes are dilated. Just waiting for the doctor to come in. I did a few tests basic already, but I'm going to ask him about the binocular vision dysfunction. Wow, so just did a second round of eye dilation. Dude, it's like blurry right now. I can't even see it. But she came in, met another nurse girl. She did a second one to get it more dilated. Well, trying to get an Uber. Can't see right now. Got my Easy E glasses on when I go outside. Easy E. I can't see right now. So I'm outside, I'm waiting. I hope I got the right Uber, I'm not sure. I can't see my phone right now. I have my Easy E glasses on here. So, but the doctor, you know, he didn't think the dizziness or imbalance was coming from my eyes. But anyway, just another random short video. Went to an optometrist. He's also ophthalmologist, if it's pronounced correctly. Came to see, get it checked out. He doesn't think it's coming for that. But I'm waiting on the Uber, and I hope it's the right address. I don't know what the Uber looks like. I know it's a Toyota. Let me see. The only thing I know is it's a Toyota. It looks like they're about to be here soon, so just waiting on the Uber now. Anyway, that's all I have. Came to a doctor, that's it. See if it was my eyes, but he doesn't think it's my eyes. He did the binocular vision dysfunction test. That's the main reason that I came. But I don't think anything's wrong. Anyway, let me see if I can find this Uber. I'll see you. But yeah, I can't see my phone right now. I can sort of see out in the distance here. I can't see my phone right now. My eyes are dilated. Alright, later.